Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious blackberry margarita. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh, ripe blackberries, a good quality tequila, fresh lime juice, and a splash of orange liqueur. For sweetness, we'll use a little agave nectar or simple syrup. This combination creates a vibrant and refreshing cocktail that's perfect for any occasion, offering a delightful balance of sweet and tart flavors. Now, let's get to mixing. First, place about 5 or 6 fresh blackberries into your cocktail shaker. Gently muddle them to release their juicy flavors and vibrant color. Next, add 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 1/2 ounces of your favorite tequila, and 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur. Finish with about a 1/2 ounce of agave nectar or simple syrup to taste, ensuring a perfectly balanced drink. With all your ingredients in the shaker, it's time to chill and combine them perfectly. Fill the shaker completely with ice, then secure the lid and shake vigorously for about 15 seconds. This ensures your margarita is thoroughly chilled and well mixed. Before pouring, you might want to rim your glass with salt or sugar. Finally, strain the beautiful blackberry margarita into your glass and garnish with a fresh lime wedge and a couple of extra blackberries for a stunning presentation. Here are a few pro tips to elevate your blackberry margarita experience. Feel free to adjust the sweetness level. Some prefer it tartar, others sweeter. For a delightful frozen treat, simply blend all the ingredients with a cup of ice until smooth. You can also experiment with other fruits, like raspberries or blueberries, for different flavor profiles. A sprig of fresh mint or basil can add a wonderful aromatic complexity, making each sip even more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.